Eric Sundergaard here with another tip, trick, and pitfall. Today we're going to talk about our support hanger. This is item number SH12. It comes 12 feet long. These notches are every 12 inches on center for hanging acoustical grid. Here we actually have for like remodeling jobs where you have to remove either a damaged main or maybe you need to add onto the ceiling with another type of a system where you're going to add axiom onto this. Instead of demoing your existing ceiling, taking 2x2 light fixtures out of their ceiling tile, you can add a support hanger with wires on it, which now what that does gives the luxury of relieving the weight off of this main, that when I take the main out, the grid will all stay in place. Okay, for installation of the support hanger, you can actually slide it over the end of the cross tees and slide it down that way, or you can always take a pair of linesman's pliers and open up one side of it, put it back over the acoustical grid like this, and then take it and bend it back. And here's the other good thing, you can reuse this for other areas. So one bundle on the job, you don't need to order several. One would do the job and then you can just keep reusing this product. So next time you have a renovation project and you need to remodel parts of your ceiling but you don't want to remove all your ceiling to do it, the support hanger SH12 is the product to use for that.